Experience the future of communication with VitalPBX and its innovative integration of WhatsApp features. Stay connected with your team and clients like never before, as WhatsApp seamlessly integrates into your VitalPBX system and Bitsy, our browser-based soft phone solution. Enhance your business communication with the power of WhatsApp. Bring together your favorite messaging app and the robust features of VitalPBX. Keep your customers engaged and in sync with your business by sending personalized updates and support, all through the familiarity of WhatsApp. Unlock unparalleled convenience with VitalPBX's easy-to-use interface. Effectively handle your WhatsApp conversations and provide prompt replies to your clients. Boost your productivity and streamline your workflows with VitalPBX's WhatsApp integration today. Experience a fresh, professional, and efficient way of connecting with your clients. Ready to revolutionize your communication? Discover the limitless potential of WhatsApp integration with VitalPBX. Visit our website to get started today.